from beginner to advanced. Today we will continue with these Boolean values, these Boolean expressions in JavaScript. Because if we don't understand how to use this Boolean value, we can code easily and in a syntactic sugar way. Okay, for today I have for you one example with Boolean value in a switch case in JavaScript. You can use this Boolean false true in JavaScript, also in a switch case. For example, I have here one HTML document with a football day check. I go to football just 2 days per week, in Wednesday and in Friday. And should to write a code who check my football day, no? This switch case is if else code, if else, but in a modern way this if else you can write in switch case. Switch case is more readable, more syntactic sugar. It's easy way to write an if else. Okay, I have here a button, and when I click this button, I trigger the function switch case example. I write here a switch case example function, and in this function I create a switch case function also, no? Before this I create a variable playFootball, and I assign it the value false, because initially the Boolean variable initially don't go to football when page loading. Initially when page are loading, I don't go to football. Just when I click the button, the code will check if I go or not. After I set my variable or my expression that I will put like parameter in switch, day of week, in my case I put Wednesday. I put Wednesday, day of week, and after in switch I put this day of week. When I click the button, the browser check this code from up to down, and he read here day of week it's Wednesday. Okay, and check my cases. Case Wednesday, play football is true. That means I will go to football. Also I have another case, Friday, where I set also true. That means also Friday I will go to football. Okay, and default I set the variable playFootball to false, because just Wednesday and Friday I will go to football. Okay, the syntax for switch case, do you know? The syntax is switch, variable or expression in parameter, function, case, and the code that you will write. Break, case, variable, and code. Break. Okay, let's see. It's Wednesday, you are going to play football, true. What happened when I click this button? No, I execute this part of code. Day of week it's Wednesday. My browser check, see, okay, what is the case? Case Wednesday is first. That means I will execute it and appear this. If I put here Friday, my variable for checking is Friday. What happened? Let's see. It's Friday, you are going to play football. True. It's Friday, you are going to play football plus my variable play football. It's true. Okay. Why happened this? Because now my variable day of week, I set it to Friday. This is a switch case static, but I will show you in the next minutes dynamically. Okay, let me to put here Sunday. My variable that I will check is Sunday now, and I have true just on Wednesday and Friday, because just in this day I will go to football, sorry, but default it's the others day. Sunday is in this category, no, false. Let's see. Is not Wednesday or Friday. You are not playing football. True. This part of code is executed because true, I have just Wednesday and Friday, and my checking variable of control, if you want, is this Sunday, and I do case Sunday enter in this default, because I didn't put for each day. No, I have just 2 days and default all the day with false. Okay, let me to check here. I put also Wednesday. And it's Wednesday, you are going to play football, it's true. Okay, do you see in this case, switch case, you can manipulate this play football variable, and you can set it the value false or true, depends of your needs. Okay, here you have a static switch case, but what happens if when you click on the button you want to take randomly a day, and you don't need to put here Wednesday a single case. You want to put randomly and show you if you go or not. For this you should to put the day of the week in an array, and after this should to create a new variable for take a random day. Let random day equal randomly now from array, and this variable you will check in here. Let's see. This is the second example with dynamically is the same example, but I take here dynamically the day from an array. I create an array day of weeks with all days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. No, initially I put false because I didn't play to football when I load the page, and I create a variable for take randomly for select a day from this array day of the week, and I have let random day equal days of the week math floor of math random or day of weeks length. What do this line have inside math random multiply or day week of length? That means take randomly a number from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for 7, and after this all this index will down with math floor, will round it in down with math floor. For example, if I what do this mad random? Mad random take a number from 0 to 1, no? I click the button. Okay, I click the button, and in this time mad random take a number, generate a number from 0 to 1. I 1.45. Okay, 1.45 I will multiply with day of week length with 7, and I have a number. I have a number, but this number is with a comma, no, it's with point, and I need an integer number, and for this I use this matplotlib with down to the near value of integer in down. No, for example, if it's 1.45, in down mean 1. If is 1.19, matplotlib is down 1, because you are going in down. If was here, mat.sale will be up. For example, if I have the number 1.18, that mean 2, because I will go up, not down like floor. Okay, I take random index here, and after this I use this index like checking variable of control, no? Switch random day, this random day would be Monday to Wednesday, in function of what index will generate. Switch random day, case Wednesday. What happen if random is Wednesday? That means it's true, and I have this code. What happen after each we put break? What happen if it's Friday, my random day? Another code, and other day is false. Let's see what happens. Selected day Sunday. I have here a line selected day. This I put this to show you this random day. Random day generate now Sunday. Index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 generates index with number 6, and this mean is Sunday, you know. Okay, Sunday, I don't have Sunday with true, that means with false. This part of code will be executed. It's not Wednesday or Friday, you are not playing football. It's false, correct? Sunday is false because just Wednesday and Friday is with true. Again, Tuesday is not Wednesday or Friday, also it's with false. Selected day Friday, it's Friday. I check Friday. I am in this case Friday, and in this case playFootball is set to true. That means I go to football, because when it's true I go to football. It's Friday, you are going to play football. Okay, that was all for today. I would want today to learn you how to use this Boolean value when you work with switch case. Don't forget the syntax for switch case is switch, the expression like parameter, and after you have statements. No, in these statements you have cases. Case 1, you put a value, case value, and the code, 2 points and code that we want to be executed for this case. Break after this, and case, I don't know, value, 2 points, and the code. It's switch variable statements, and in these statements you have all cases. After case and value, you put 2 points and add the code that you want to run. That was all for today. I hope you understand what I say here. I wish you all the best, and I hope you will use this Boolean when you create code in JavaScript. All the best.